The coding world is evolving faster than ever before, and staying ahead of the game means equipping yourself with the right tools. In today's video, I'm going to be breaking down the top 5 tools you need in 2025 to boost your productivity, write better code, and stay on top of your coding game. Hi, my name is Abigail. Welcome to my channel, and let's dive right in. First on the list is GitHub Copilot. This is an AI-powered coding assistant that's transforming how developers write code. Think of it as like having a coding buddy on speed dial that writes entire functions, help with syntax, and even explains code snippets when needed. And what's even more exciting about this is that in 2025, the GitHub Copilot will be integrating more deeply with team workflows, allowing multiple developers to collaborate on AI-generated solutions in real time. It's already compatible with common IDEs like VS Code and JetBrains, so why not start using it today? Next is Postman. We are building or consuming APIs in 2025, from designing, testing, and even monitoring APIs. This tool is indispensable for both back-end and full-stack developers in general. It allows you to test, debug, and document your APIs with ease. It's fast, intuitive. Postman is a must-have for developers altogether. Third on our list is JetBrains IDEs like IntelliJ and PyCharm. JetBrains tools are known for their deep integrations with programming languages, providing features like code completion, refactoring, and even debugging. And what's even more exciting is that in 2025, JetBrains IDE are stepping up their game with AI-assisted features that enhance the structure of your code, optimize performance, and even fixes your code vulnerabilities. Fourth on this list is Kubernetes. If you're into back-end or cloud development, Kubernetes is a non-negotiable tool. It's the tool for managing containerized applications, scaling them efficiently, and ensuring that they run smoothly across every environment. For 2025, tools like Lenses are making Kubernetes more user-friendly, with improved user interfaces and monitoring features. If you want to work in DevOps or cloud-native development, now is the time to learn Kubernetes. Lastly on this list is Docker. 2025 is all about seamless deployment, and Docker is here for that. Docker lets you containerize your applications, making sure that they run consistently across all environments, whether it's your local machine or your cloud server, making this easier for developers working on large-scale projects or even in DevOps. And my bonus tool is Notion. Notion can be a project management tool for developers as well, especially those working in teams. In 2025, Notion is becoming even more developer-focused with integrations for GitHub, Slack, and implemented workflows for team members. If you're a solo developer like myself, utilizing Notion will definitely boost your productivity. And there you have it, guys, my top 5 coding tools for 2025. From AI-powered assistants like the GitHub Copilot to essential tools like Docker, Kubernetes, Postman, and my bonus tool, Notion. Which of these tools will you be trying out? And if there are any tools you think should have been on this list, please leave them down in the comment section below. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Subscribe to see more content like this. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you in the next one. Bye!